What if I told you that right now there's an AI quietly making people money while they sleep? No market stress. But here's the catch, most people pick the wrong one and end up losing everything. I'll show you the best AI trading bots for beginners, the ones that actually work, and which ones to avoid like a shady Craigslist ad. First up, PNX. It's like a Tesla for your trades. Autopilot mode on. With 16 free built-in bots, it's a beginner's dream. Grid trading, dollar cost averaging, all made easy. The best part? Low fees. Warning, you will feel like a genius when it starts making passive gains. Let the bots work those night shifts. Next, Bitsgap. If trading bots had a Swiss Army knife cousin, this is it. It connects to all your favorite exchanges and executes arbitrage and grid strategies. Its interface is beginner-friendly, but don't let the clean look fool you. This thing is powerful. You can test out different strategies and see how they would have performed in the past without risking a single dollar. Say hello to Trade Santa, the bot that makes trading feel like setting a Netflix schedule. You choose the strategy, set the conditions, and it handles the rest. It supports major exchanges and is designed to scale with you as you grow from newbie to ninja. And hey, it even has a mobile app, because why not profit while waiting for coffee? Just like any tool, it's all about how you use it. Chapter 4, 3 commas, level up your trading game. Now we're getting serious. 3 commas. This is like the Tony Stark suit of AI trading bots. It offers smart trading terminals, portfolio tracking, and deep analytics. You can mirror strategies from pro traders or build your own automated army. Bonus, the panic sell button is there, but let's hope you never need it. Chapter 5. Krill, build your own trading robot. Meet Krill, the bot that lets you design your strategy visually. No code, no confusion, just drag, drop, and deploy. Backtest your ideas, then launch them like a boss. For creative minds who want control without code, this is your playground. Chapter 6. Zignaly profit sharing with the pros. Zignaly is where beginners get to feel like hedge fund managers. You can copy pro traders, use signal providers, or build your own bot. The cool part? Profit sharing. Experts only get paid if you win. Now you know the best tools, but how do you actually use them wisely? AI bots won't make you rich overnight, but they can give you a system, an edge, and a shot at financial freedom, if you use them wisely. Start with a demo, learn the basics, then scale smart, not fast. These bots, they don't panic, they just execute. The wealthy aren't born. They're built choice by choice, tool by tool. If this helped you, hit like and subscribe for more AI-powered wealth hacks. And drop a comment. Which bot are you testing first?